crossing now. We have 166209 on a Great Western Railway service to Parkway. 1359 service. Nice tone from the driver. Hi guys, Chiltern Trainspotters here, and today we are filming at Didcot Parkway on the Great Western Main Line. Today you'll be seeing services by Cross Country and Great Western Railway. We're also passing through, we have a HST. Is that train passed by, any other train departs? Let's see what's next here. Didcot Parkway. Arriving in now, we have a HST from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads. There's U-turn from the driver. Is 43160. Somewhat more Lockhead OBE. So this is what this up to Bristol Temple means. And on the rear we have 43185. Great Western. So it's next to Didcot Parkway. Arriving in now, we have a 387 from London Paddington. It's 133 on the front. So it's next to Didcot Parkway. On the rear we have 387 142. Passing through now, we have a HST from London Marylebone to Swansea. (403-187) on the rear, but I'm not sure of the one on the front. That train passed by us is next to Didcot Park. Arriving in now, we should have a HST. We do, from Bristol Temple Meads. London Paddington. We have 43199, and behind me we have a cross country due to from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. So that train arrives, that's it next to. To my right, we have 43191 with a Great West on the front, the greatest railway service from Bristol Temple East to London Paddington. It's really quiet today. Not normally as busy as it normally is. Hi. On the route we have 4302. I'm trying to pause it to the next day at Didcot Parkway. Arriving in now, we have the delayed 1424 Great Western Railway service from Chiltern Trainspotters, London Paddington. Service is delayed due to a person being hit by a train between Kemble and Stroud. On the front, we've got 43053, University of Worcester, and they actually are upon departure. Departing now, we have 43053, University of Worcester, on a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Chiltern Trainspotters. Completely empty, the front carriage. Right, on the rear we have 43190. Does Bristol Temple meet London Paddington? That's the next day at Didcot Parkway. Passing through now, we have a HST from London Paddington, Bristol Temple mates. That's what's next at Didcot Parkway. Passing through now, we have a HST from Swansea to London Paddington. And 43169, 43161 and 43139. Arriving in now, we have a 387 terminating from London Paddington. On the front is 387-143. And on my left, we have a HSG. You'll be able to see. On the rear of the 387, we have 387-173. So HSG. Let's go to Didcot Parkway.
So let's see what we turn out now.
Parkway service to Chiltern and Spa from London Paddington. Via Swindon, Kemble, Stroud, Gloucester, Stonehouse and Chiltern and Spa. I can do that. Oh gosh. I can do that. He had a HSD. And Bristol said put me to London Paddington. Thrashing it through 125. Plus 3 now to Voyager. Probably forming a service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Parting now, we have 387173 on the service to London Paddington. On the rear we have 387143. Train departs. That's going to the end of this video here at Didcot Parkway. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Next video will be soon. I'm not going to tell you. Maybe a surprise. So you enjoy watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. (43.177) on the front. A red signal. And 43.168 on the rear.